Welcome. In front of me is DELL Latitude 5400, and in this video I will show you how to open one-time boot menu on this laptop. First you have to power your laptop on by pressing the power button once and then repeatedly press F12 button until the boot menu appears on your screen. At this point you can release the F12 button. And now you gotta select, you can navigate between the options using down and up arrow key and use enter button to select and escape to exit. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.